first adventure with the kickoff of the channel is we got to buy a camera. And we've got to practice in front of that camera.
Yes.
I'll be sharing my opinions of those products. If you've got better ideas, believe me, I want to hear it.
Good morning, I am Brandy and this is my hubby Darren, and we are from the Dandy Off-Road YouTube channel. And welcome to beautiful Norco, California.
Yep, it is nice out here today, super nice.
Yeah, always nice out here. It's beautiful, the weather is perfect. And what are we doing here today, babe?
We are introducing you to a new channel. We've hit the big time. We're on somebody else's channel now.
I've been waiting for this day for so long. If you've watched our channel, Dandy Off-Road, then you'll recognize them right away. So we don't want to keep you in suspense for too long.
Hello, I'm Dean.
I'm Donna.
And welcome to our newest adventure. This is our new YouTube channel that we are starting. You guys have seen us before. We've been on the Dandy Off-Road channel. Awesome channel. We got to participate in so many of their activities. And it's been so much fun. It's really neat to go out and go to different places and have people recognize you from that. So we are wanting to share with you some of the things that we do on our adventures. You know, we share on Facebook, people see the stuff, and we haven't had a medium that we could actually show everything we do and get our story across. For example, we like to RV. We've had numerous types of RVs. We've had bumper pull trailers. We've had fifth wheels. We've had a couple of motorhomes. Right now we have our Jayco Precept. We love this RV. For what we do, it works out perfect. Sometimes we don't take the RV. Sometimes we take our truck. And behind our truck we take our enclosed trailer. That's what we haul our toys in, and we can go out and do day runs. Sometimes we can do an overnighter in the trailer, and we have lots of fun doing that. We have a number of different things that we like to do. We like to do off-roading. That's a big part of our adventures is off-roading. And we do the sand, we do the mountains, we do the trails, we do the desert. And we're going to show you all that stuff. Along with besides off-roading, we also like to ride our bike. This is our newest acquisition. I've had numerous bikes. It's an awesome bike. It's a couple weeks old. We haven't really debuted it to everybody yet. Quite frankly, I've been a little bit embarrassed to buy it, but just because it's so nice. We love it. We're going to show you guys this bike more. Okay, so now we have another kind of bike. These are our e-bikes. I've always loved riding bikes, always loved hiking and so on, but I've had some medical issues, knees, back, so on, and all that came to a screeching halt until we started looking at e-bikes. So we're going to share with you why we chose these particular e-bikes, places we've gone with them, and places we're going to go. Our adventures include prepping for the adventures. With the prep, we've got to fabricate some items, we've got to make some things fit. So, you know, we have saws, we have drill press, we have welders, plasma cutters, and we're going to go over those items with you, show you what we use, show you what I like about them, what I don't like about them. So with that, I'll be sharing my opinions of those products, but please comment, let me know what you think. If you've got better ideas, believe me, I want to hear it. So we've got some more adventures coming up. Part of these videos is showing you how we got to where we are. Other parts of the videos is showing you how we're prepping to go to our next adventures. Our first adventure with the kickoff of the channel is we got to buy a camera. And we've got to practice in front of that camera.
Yes.
So obviously we stumble, we stammer, and hopefully we'll get better over time. We could use your encouragement. Please comment, give us some advice how we can be better in front of the camera. We have some neat trips coming up. We joined a riding group recently that's going to be doing some stuff in Johnson Valley, up in Spangler Hills. We have some trips planned on the motorcycle. All that includes all the accessories that go with it. Riding Newport Beach on the bicycles. We want you guys to come and enjoy that with us. So remember, I'm Dean.
I'm Donna. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like.
See you soon.
So that was pretty cool, right?
I thought it was cool.
I am super excited to have another YouTube channel that we can watch. That's going to be dealing with like some of the things that we love, like a lot of garaging and tinkering and just like living life and being awesome.
I think it's going to be super awesome. I'm looking forward to some of the, kind of product review kind of stuff.
Me too, because we always go to Dean. You guys that watch Dandy Off-Road know that we always turn to Dean. Dean for POTUS. We go to him for recommendations, and then we buy all the stuff that he gets rid of when he gets new stuff.
There you go. All right, so look for some reviews, some adventures, some just general fun.
Some socks. Ask Donna about her socks, okay?
Yeah, don't forget about the socks.
Yeah, don't forget.
Yeah, those are going to be important. Comments, lots of comments.
Lots of comments, lots of thumbs up. If you don't like it, then let them know. Just hit that dislike button 2 times so they know how much you hate it. And then also, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to ring the little bell so that you're notified when they put up some awesome new videos. And then go to our channel and subscribe to us too if you're not already. Why not?
There you go. Peace.
So, peace out.